So you guys were I'm hearing a lot of you guys wanted a theme song short, so here we go. This girl reviews movies, games, and books. Sometimes she plays them. So does that, and when she does it with the cat, does that make her crazy? Does that make her crazy? Probably. So, it's shorter. There you go. CrazyCatLady or Martha Butler does not own any trailers or pictures. I use them under fair educational for and entertainment purpose. Blade, it's like it's all they did. Well, those years ago. See? No, I don't want to do any more of it. Alright, I guess it's Tuesday. Had a long day yesterday, so I forgot today was reset day. We also need to do the meeting for Screwed. The second one. Greetings and salutations. There you are, Martha. I have more Dream Parks Festival furniture planned ready for the valley. Even more festive fiesta. Let's do it. Bring the materials and we'll talk when you return.
Hey, over here!
Oh. I still think the shop's broken sometimes. Okay, so let's see what I can get. I can probably only get one item. So either wings or Kristoff's King's outfit. And I can't get this one. I need 200 more. I'd rather get one of these two for you guys. Or I can get this. Okay, I'm probably not going to keep this on my back, but see. Man, they're small.
That's my inner voice likes to remind me. Come in me.
Okay. Scourge is back.
Oh, greetings, neighbor.
Ah, hello. Leading on to the Knock Nest. You got everything that we need. Things are just the ticket to build a beautiful new Main Street path and a park brand new post. The village will look grand. Just craft and put them on display for all to see. When you're done, I have a weeping reward for you. Where is he? Is that him? No, that's...
It's so warm. I need to talk to you.
Hello, okay. Nicely done, Martha. The new decor is quite impressive. You know, you can't see it. And the village looks, the festival looks as fair as the Idle Fair. And here you are for your troubles. Alright, everybody, I'm on my Switch. Let's see what I can get on here. So, I got this on my PlayStation, so don't get that. You either get this or that. Let's go with this first. And that's all I can get. And that one, so let's show that outfit off. I do have this one on my Switch and this one on my PlayStation, so let's go ahead and turn around. And here's the backpack. Go. I'm not gonna do that one though. Alright, so what? My PlayStation. So what? How come he's awake on my... Did he just wake up? This is where I have the... Okay, here's the... This guy's really cool. They still have not made you a lot of sit there, but you can... That's cool. And I think you can put stuff on the wall. Can you? Art. Nope, they don't let you put things on the wall outside, so you can't put this thing on there. This is the table. Can't see anything on here either. And the mushroom one is down here. Here you go. It basically turns whatever domain you have it in. That's what color the stairs turn into. Like for example, I have it on the beach, so it has sand. I have it in the forest area, Okay, here's Donald in his safari outfit. Really wish that he would have his and give him his mad sound back. Get this thing off my eye. No, I'm gonna hit it here, guys. Like, favorite, subscribe, and bye-bye.